Hey YouTube, this is Rated Sky 445, and I just got home and I have my Bricklink order here, so let's unbox that. Hope I don't destroy anything in here. This is so exciting. I just got this in. Sorry if it's taking a while. Okay, here we go. Nothing else in there. Okay, I'll get that off. That's my address, and we don't want you seeing that, so put that aside. Okay, so this is what I got. See if I can untouch this. Which is gonna be hard right now. Okay, stay with me. Okay, well, first of all, in this little baggie, I have brown heads. Can you see those? Just plain brown heads. And then I got these, not really capes, but they're like kind of Mexican outfits or whatever. And they're cloth. Pretty cool. Yeah, those are pretty cool. And then I got, see if I can get these. And all these pieces I just kind of bought, really, because I kind of wanted them, and I just can. So, in here I got, these show up dark blue, but they're actually like a turquoise. They're really cool. And then I got keys. You can see those keys right there. They're still on the sprue. There's like 2 on a sprue, and I got 6 of those. See that very well. Okay. And then I got some bricks here. Not much. Well, I can't get the bricks right now, so show these. These were really cool. First of all, I got these heads. They're brand new. They're like pumpkin heads. Can you see them right there? And I got like 7 of those. And then I got 2 of these arms right here. Bar pieces. And then I got 2 gray, like, those arms. And then I got 10 black skeleton legs for like detail and stuff. And then right here, if I can get them off, I'm just gonna pull it off stuff. So, just rip a bunch of stuff. Anyways, okay, I got some 1x4 orange ones, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 of these. And then in here, I got 3 tan heads right there. And then I got 3 dark gray heads. Then I got 2 orange heads, 2 transparent orange heads, and then 4 of these legs. And then I got 3 chests, because I love chests. So there's the actual chest. And then I got the top. And then I got some 2x3 slopes. And I got a bunch of those. Then I got, there's the other head. And then the last thing I got was I got, I believe, 20 1x2 orange. So yeah. And I love how they fit nicely in that little bag. So that's what I got. So it's pretty cool. You'll probably see these in further videos. So yeah, look out for some more videos. Look out for some more Bricklink orders. So yeah, I might be doing a collection video soon, like of my Lego collection and stuff, and how it's all organized, and and everything else. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is LegoSky445 signing out.